That is really pretty radical there. Look at the Arizona sky and another light over there. It's like we have 3 suns. So you can see where we're sitting down here. And the little hydros are out, they're getting ready to run, and then they're gonna have the big boys come back out. But is that not bizarre? I think Ed and I have the best seats in the house. Let's go watch some boat racing. Start leaning forward and hanging on to the side. Oh yeah. You watch him scooch himself back. Yep. Little lean back. You smell that fuel? Yeah. Yep.
Oh,
See there? You see him lean
wild.
back? Oh, there he goes. Getting down. They get their head way down. Okay, if you look out in the distance, it looks like a beak up in the air. That's the gentleman's boat. What happened? Oh. He just happened to. It was just they weren't even racing. He was just really going slow, and something happened. He flipped it, and now it's sitting up in the air like that. That was bizarre. But he's okay. He's away from the boat. Had his hands up. Yeah, they had to abort that because too many things were flying around. Wow. doing, Miss April?
Yeah, they'll warm up for a lap or two, depending on what they're giving us. They'll come around and then it'll be game on. They'll come around these two cars here, and all of a sudden you'll look at them and start to slide along like now already. There he goes. That's a practice for the line. Gotta be able to close the door on this one.
GoPro started recording. Yeah, Miss April would have no chance against that boat. That was awesome. Wow. Full blown alcohol boat. Boy, it took that much to go against that.
Now he's gonna show off.
That's it there. This is too much fun. I love it.
Ed, exactly how many beers have you had today down at the boat races?
Two. We only had 2 beers.
My second beer.
It's not alien cigar.
Aliens did that.
Oh.
No, we're trying to tell Linda that aliens did it, not me. I
That
know,
is
but
weird.
aliens.
Yeah, that is pretty bizarre.
It's
The government.
gas off of Venus reflected off the moon.
It is odd.
Oh yeah, there you see the triple sun.
That is an odd.
It does look different though. Maybe an airplane or something through
Yeah,
there.
I don't know. Weird.
That's cool, isn't it?
Very cool.
You got a blinker there in the
Got a
back.
blinker
Yeah.
down.
I don't know if it's both sides, but
Ken's in here fixing Linda's tail
Blinking down
lights.
too. The back, but not the front.
Oh, okay, I'm just.
So we have really weird things in the sky here tonight in Arizona. Look at the sunset is beautiful, but that cloud is really bizarre. And then we had one back here that I was showing you guys. It's really wicked. Not sure. I've never seen anything like that before. If you guys know what that is, tell us what it is, how it starts or how it accumulates. I know we've got some weather buffs out there, so always so pretty in Arizona. The evening, the mountains get kind of like paper cut over there.
the camera's not even doing it justice. Look at what we actually see.
Yeah, I know. It's really pretty. But that is so bizarre. I've never seen anything like that, and it looked kind of like the edges of it,
does.
like right there.
Yeah, it looks like some
It
kind
looks
of a weird vortex.
Yeah, it looks like what we saw back there.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like that.
Do you see that square down there? Do you see it? No.
It's a sign.
No, seriously, do you see it?
No.
Let's step over here. Do you see that square?
Yeah, the
What is
sign, the lit up sign.
What is that?
Taco
lit
time. It's
lit up
taco
sign
time.
where?
It's McDonald's or
No,
something.
it isn't. That's not McDonald's.
Yes, it is.
No, next to McDonald's. What is that? Okay, Mike, what is that? What is that square sign right there? Look, step.
It's
what?
Taco Bell.
It's Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. I was asking what's in the far distance over there. He thinks it's something else.
I
but
don't have
there's
the best
McDonald's
eyesight.
and Taco Bell
It's
signs.
a fast food joint.
Nothing special.
It's not an alien ship that's landed.
I don't think it's an alien ship.
Good
Oh,
deal.
that's really
that
cool.
that is from the alien ship up
Yeah,
there.
that is.
Right there. Right
So crazy.
there. Right